Bob's first
Laser 70.
venture to Mavis Henson Field and the 49er qualifier.
Okay, Bob Racer is ready to go. He's in the air. Overshoot. Flyby for Bob Racer. Okay, the Sidel powered Fleet is coming home. Designed by Reuben Fleet. Oh, touch and go, touch and go. Very nice. Okay, this will be the landing. Very nice. How about that, sports fans? Down and safe. Taxi back for realism.
Dave Lovett in his Ellsworth Trans-Antarctic.
Stafford's entered with his Henkel 100 here. Looks like it's going to be a winner. These are the fast airplanes. Holy hell, the world's record for a while, didn't it?
Yeah, it did.
Yep.
1969.
Dude.
Yeah, it's more like 1938 that airplane had a speed record.
Okay, the Henkel 100 is taxiing out for his very first flight of the weekend. Nice looking aircraft. He's in the air. Okay, Gary Parker is getting his Albatross into the air for his first flight on Sunday morning. Nice breeze down the runway this morning. Very colorful airplane. Looks like a chandelle. Okay, Gary's coming in. Very nice. The Henkel just lost the power. He did all right. You're our contest director. Jeffrey, I thank you for all your hard work.
Well, thank you guys for coming down from the far corners.
Any old time, any old time. How about Hank Cavasso? Where's he at now?
Hank is enjoying a weekend where he doesn't have to run a contest.
Oh,
couldn't be with us this weekend, but
I
we
see.
hope to have him back out next year again.
Okay. Well,
Thanks, Jeff Lovett.
again, and I got some.
Dick Hansen's final round.
Larry Shepard's on my camera again. Good man.
Hansen's coming in for a touch and go. Landing. Last flight of the contest for Dick. And he's down.
My last flight of the weekend. We had 6 rounds in. First time I've ever done that.
He's taking off with Steve Wilson's airplane. Larry Shepard is rolling for his last takeoff of the weekend. Looks like a nice one. The best takeoff he's made the whole weekend. Beautiful.
Paul Haynes coming in.
Overshoot, overshoot. This time I think Paul is coming in. Beautiful airplane. Morrissey, bravo. He's down. Nice overshoot for Larry. I think Larry's trying to touch and go here. Looks good. Oh, he zoomed up too much. Well, he touched and went anyway. He's down. Oh, over he goes. That's Bob Racer's last takeoff for the weekend. Good flyby, Bob. A little windy, but not bad. Overshoot for Bob. Touch and go, and there's wind, good wind coming up now, but at least it's down the runway. Can't even get it down. There he's down. Okay, there's a touch and go, yeah.
Gary Parker, Dick of Training, Team Scale.
Dick Heinings, Fleet biplane, flown by his good friend, Gary Parker. Okay, Bob's coming in for his last landing of the weekend. Looks good, there's no wind this time. The best landing he's made all weekend. How about that?
We're going to put that on TV.
This on. %30 scale. This will be the next kit for Procter Enterprises, designed by Dick Heining. Gorgeous. Wolfgang Seidel 7-cylinder radial. P26 here, they tell me it's an ARF. It's gorgeous, just gorgeous. Sam Weiss on the line, last man up.
10 years old. Fun scale. Really made Gary Norton sweat.
Sam is taking off, he's 10 years old.
Focus that camera.
Last man up. Was that a Tucano you're flying?
Leave these shots in so that I don't jeopardize my amateur standing.
Steady. Sam's doing great. Sam's doing a loop-de-loop for us. Look at that, look at that. What about that, sports fans? Looks like a touch and go for Sam. Oh, Sam Weiss is coming home. 10 years young. Now watch this, watch this. Don't you wish you could do that? It's time to give out the prizes.
Another thing we need, this event needs, and it seems like it's amazing how many of them need volunteers.
Stafford wins 3rd place in fun scale with his Hankel 100. Good going. 2nd place in fun scale. Good going.
Damn.
What do you think about that? You gonna do it again? That's fun.
Gary Norton wins 1st place in fun scale.
Well deserved. Here's your trophy. I'd just like to have everybody all at one time say, "Move up."
Yeah, move up, Gary. Our chief financial officer for Scale Masters. Good going, Gary. 1st place fun scale.
Nice work.
With his Piper Cub Super. And Steve Wilson, 1st place with the Morrissey Bravo in team scale.
Paul Haynes and
Good
Steve
going, guys.
Wilson.
Well done.
The Highlanders. Okay.
Bend, Oregon.
Win 2nd place in team scale with a P38 Lockheed.
And in addition to that 2nd place, that's a qualifying spot to the finals.
Great. Good going, guys. Gary Parker, the pilot. Dick Heining, the builder on the Fleet biplane. 1st place in team scale.
Here you go. Dig.
Great.
Flying the clear
I'll be darned.
nine-decker.
Dick Skoglund.
179.083 points. Dick Skoglund.
Dick Skoglund, 4th place in expert. Good going, Dick. See you at Gardner, Kansas.
Perhaps five, if they aren't already. And it's my pleasure, my privilege to prevent this, or to present this. I wish I could prevent it. What kind of a slip is that, huh? But if, Dad, if you want to come up here and get this.
Jeff
Dave
Stead.
Lovett.
Dave Lovett.
Stead wins 3rd place expert. He qualifies.
Where there's no throw gamma.
In 2nd place, and already qualified, Santa Rosa, California with the Sea Fury.
Second place, an expert. Good going, Gene. Good going.
8 hours in the car with this guy.
With a static score of 93 and a 92.9 flight average. Grand total of 185.9 points, just 4/10 over Gene. Is Mr. Dick Hansen.
Hey, I accept. I accept. Great. Hey, let me see the plaque there. Wait a minute, I gotta get this plaque. I gotta hold that. I accept.
Look at that. Look at that.
Come in a contest, and I thought I was gonna come in second, Gene. I feel honored.
I don't believe it.
And yeah, whatever.
I accept. Thanks, guys. Thanks to
Can we
everybody.
go home now?
Okay.
I may stay 5 minutes longer than normal.
See all of you.
Thanks, Jeff. We sure appreciate it. Thanks to Woodland-Davis Aero Modelers.
That's a wrap.
And we'll see you guys next time.